These premium fridges feature modern, stylish designs and smart energy-saving technologies, as well as one of the largest storage capacities for any French door of this size. The CY55 Silver has a modern brushed stainless steel look, and the CY55 Black features a flat, frameless design with a sophisticated glass finish. Controlling all the fridge settings is made convenient with the external electrostatic touch panel. Both these fridges feature the unique Prime Fresh Plus case. Adjust Prime Fresh to soft freeze fresh meat and seafood down to approximately -3 degrees Celsius. It can achieve this temperature 4 times faster than previous models. Now, since food is only lightly frozen, it extends its lifespan whilst maintaining nutrients, flavour and texture. Odours are also minimised, making it ideal for storing seafood. Soft frozen food is also easy to slice and cook immediately. The CY55 Black Prime Fresh case also features a clever blue LED, which combined with the natural antibacterial nature of silver ions in the AG filter eliminates 99.99% of bacteria. Panasonic fridges have a big focus on modern living, with 1/3 of the storage dedicated to fresh fruit and vegetables. The large Fresh Safe vegetable drawer is sealed from the direct chill of the fridge, locking in up to 90% humidity, keeping your fresh fruit and veggies fresher for longer, with plenty of space for larger items. These fridges also feature smart eco-navi sensors that monitor the environment and your usage patterns in order to save energy, delivering inverter power only when it is needed. Frozen food? It should be frozen quickly. The quick freezing feature ensures frozen goods maintain their all-important nutrition and flavour when defrosted. Panasonic's 2 brand new French door fridges are available now.
Behold, a refrigerator as versatile and limitless as your creativity, with the largest capacity and the most tall storage of any in its class, thanks to a versatile slide-away shelf. An under-shelf pan transforms usually empty space into a prep zone, perfect for chilling dough or marinating meats. Full extension drawers let you see every ingredient easily, and a built-in tray extends your entertaining possibilities. A produce preserver extends freshness, and a special seal maintains the right humidity in crisper drawers. To keep everything at the peak of freshness, the Preserva Food Care system offers 2 separate systems to create the ideal climate for the refrigerator and freezer. An efficient linear compressor keeps it all operating so quietly, you can practically hear your next delicious idea forming.
This is the Haier 8-in-1 bottom-mounted refrigerator. With its magnificent shiny steel finish, this is a piece of jewelry. In India, the refrigerator section is used about 90% of the times over the freezer section. Hire's BMR concept therefore eliminates the need to bend down by about 90%, which is a big deal. So when you hear Hire BMR, it's Jugna Mat. No wonder Hire BMR is India ka Seedha fridge. With its 8-in-1 convertible options, this is the most versatile refrigeration machine ever, which can be used in normal mode, vegetable mode, home alone mode, surprise party mode, turbo mode, summer mode, freezer mode, and vacation mode. Hire's unique twin inverter technology ensures that both the compressor and the fan work on DC inverter. That helps save energy, increase durability, and reduce noise. The freezer has the newest auto defrost technology, keeping it clean and hygienic. When your guests give you a surprise visit, you can surprise them with Hire's turbo icing technology that helps make ice cubes in just 49 minutes. Twin energy saving feature with optimized cooling gives you a 5-star performance with the option of saving 15% or even 30% energy at just the press of a button. Thanks to the refrigerator being on top, the compressor does not eat into the space, so you get separate vegetable and fruit boxes that are 2 times bigger.
The CY series is a premium fridge featuring one of the largest internal capacities for any French door of its size. It has a stylish and sophisticated glass finish that is easy to clean and maintain and is available in 3 colours to suit any modern home. Fruit and vegetables start losing valuable nutrition from the moment they are harvested. And Panasonic's Fresh Safe vegetable case helps extend the life of fresh produce. This drawer is sealed from the direct chill of the fridge and locks in up to 90% humidity, keeping fruit and vegetables fresher for longer. It also features an intelligent surround airflow system. Chilled air moves from the rear panel upwards and to the sides to surround food items, rather than using direct cold air, avoiding dehydration in food. The switchable chilled case is ideal to store and chill food items like dairy and meat at approximately 0 degrees Celsius. You can also select the Prime Fresh option to softly freeze fresh meat and seafood at approximately -3 degrees Celsius. Now, since food is only lightly frozen, it extends the life of perishable foods whilst maintaining nutrients, flavour and texture. Odours are also minimised, making it ideal for storing seafood. Prime Fresh also offers food preparation convenience, as it's easy to slice and cook it immediately. Selecting your optimum fridge settings is made convenient with a stylish external control panel. And a bottom mount freezer makes it easy to access items, and the removable freezer tub makes cleaning a breeze.